Ranging from hospitality to religion to festivals, Africa is full of many surprising facts you don't know about local traditions and customs. Make yourself comfortable and prepare to be wowed by 10 fascinating facts about traditions and customs in Africa. Before you start, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and especially to activate the notification bell, so you don't miss any of our next videos. 1. The family is of paramount importance in Africa. Family ties are often extensive, including grandparents, uncles, aunts and cousins, and are seen as a source of support and solidarity. 2. Rites of passage are widely practiced in Africa to mark important stages in life, such as birth, adolescence, marriage and death. These rituals are often accompanied by celebrations, dances and traditional songs. 3. Music plays a central role in African cultures. Traditional instruments such as the djembe, kora and maracas are used in ceremonies, parties and dances. 4. African art objects, such as wooden carvings, masks and colorful fabrics, have deep symbolic meaning. They are often used in religious rituals, ceremonies and community events. 5. Tales and proverbs are an integral part of African tradition. They are passed down from generation to generation, and are used to teach life lessons, share cultural values and entertain. 6. African cuisine is diverse and reflects the wealth of resources available on the continent. Traditional dishes vary by region, but often feature ingredients such as cassava, millet, rice, vegetables, meats and spices. 7. Traditional African dances are dynamic, colorful and full of energy. Each ethnic group has its own characteristic dances, with specific movements and distinctive costumes. 8. Festivals are important events in Africa, celebrating various aspects of African culture, such as agriculture, harvests, music, dance and religious traditions. 9. Religion plays a central role in many African societies. African traditional religions, as well as Islam and Christianity, often coexist and influence spiritual practices and rituals. 10. Hospitality is an important value in Africa. Visitors are warmly welcomed and often given meals and gifts to show respect and appreciation. Now tell us in the comments which of these facts fascinated you the most, and don't forget to click here to watch another of our videos.